All right, guys. So, episode 2, why being part of a community matters. So, the reason why we wanted to start a Discord community for Lofinity is because, it saved a lot of the hassle of having to do the steps that I mentioned before in the first video, of, having to constantly DM people and constantly, be interacting. Because the thing is that you're going to be a part of a community by doing this. Check the link in our description if you haven't seen it yet. And all you have to do is just post your Instagram account for people to follow you, and then you go follow others who posted their account. And it's just a good way to actually gain a following. And, you have a whole chain of people that you can connect with, and, maybe send that person a DM and tell them that you're a part of Lofinity. And just like that, you have instant people to collaborate with and people that will support your music and you support them. So that's basically why we started the whole thing. And if you can find people who are like-minded and share the same amount of passion for music as you do, you're going to be a lot better off being in contact with these types of people. They're going to keep you motivated, and you'll gain friends who you can actually share your musical ideals with. So, when we first started out, we made a group chat and added people who were just as passionate about music as we were. And this made it a lot easier to collaborate with people because, you would have people with all types of different musical backgrounds who can contribute their strengths to areas that you might lack in. So, for example, maybe you can write a really strong melody, but you might need some work when adding in drums. Having a community makes it so that you might find a drummer who you can collaborate with that can do the drums for you. Or, maybe you don't have as much experience as you should when it comes to mixing or mastering your tracks. And ultimately, you can try to provide value for others, and they'll provide value back for you in the ways that you need. And one of the reasons why I wanted to start to reach out towards illustrators and photographers is that we could have people working with musicians and musicians working with, these people for illustrations and photography, really. Not to mention that if one of your posts ends up going viral and making it onto a big playlist or a big label and you have this big support group, chances are that if one of your friends has something go viral, they're going to speak highly of you to these labels and these playlisters. So, it's good to have a community rather than not have a community. Don't be in it for yourself. Be in it for the community and the people that you surround yourself with. So this is what I think of when I hear the word networking. What that actually means is just having a group of people that you can rely on for your needs as an artist. The reason why the Discord community has over, 150, I think we're at 170 members right now, is just because it's a really active group. People provide value to each other in exchange for what their needs are. So we set up a place where illustrators can work with musicians and photographers can work with illustrators or musicians or vice versa, and just meet each other's needs. And ideally, you can find someone that you connect with and just help each other out. So if you get a group of 10 like-minded and ambitious people, that's how you start making some real progress. If you get a group of 10 people and you guys are all on the same page, that's a dangerous combo. You comment on each other's posts, share each other's music, and really become friends online. And there's a lot of potential for explosive growth just within the community. And it's one of the reasons why I think it's so important to make use of a community when you're just starting out as an artist. So, for more tips, just make sure to join the Discord community. And yeah, we're always looking to support new people. So yeah, we'll see you in episode 3.